guy here. It's been a while since I posted any updates on the house. So here's the deal. It's summertime and I am a stay-at-home dad. My wife works full-time and my full-time job is really to take care of the kids. So during the summer when the kids are out of school, I can't get as much work done. So it's been on pause, kind of, except for when I can get time to come over here. So first I'll kind of tell you real quick how I'm able to get back to work. So I have 2 kids right now at this moment in summer camp. It's kind of difficult to put them all 4 in at the same time because they're a bit crazy. And when they're all together, they have too much fun. My daughter's waving at me. So today I have 2 of them with me, my second and my fourth out of 4. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, YouTube. So what I've done is you'll notice Mr. Nate over here is on the internet, and my house where I live is actually across the street. Look through the window, you can see it over there. And I didn't want to pay for separate internet over here, so I found these boxes from Ubiquiti on Amazon, and I'm basically beaming the internet. You probably can't see, there's a box in the window. I'm beaming out of a wireless bridge that beams the internet across the street over here. It comes in, this one goes into a router, and I have a separate wireless connection over here. So kids can play if they have time to play. Right now, Ruth here is doing her reading time. So that's how I'm able to get back to work. So now a quick update where I am. Here is the half bath. I have the door installed, just rough installation. Still need the door stop in there. And light fixture, the floor, hex tile floor is grouted and grouted. Looks pretty good. Let's take you to the kitchen. The island is in place. All the electrical is done, thanks to Al. And so there's going to be a wooden countertop on the island. And the rest of the kitchen, basically it'll be a slab here and a slab over here. Well, actually 2 slabs over there. Will be granite. And have a template. People coming by next week. Template for that. So all the cabinets are in. The crown molding is in there, in place. So it's coming right along. As soon as the granite's in place, I can finish plumbing the sink, and then I get to do the floor in here, and this whole area, well, put the toilet in the bathroom, some minor things in there, and then this kitchen and dining room area is finished. Oh, well, after all the trim, of course. That's going to be a lot of carpentry work, but I really like that. So that's my update. Ruth over there is waving. And we're signing off. Thank you.